Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Gu and Miss Su, chapter 100, part 1. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Miss Gu. China Entertainment International. The movie Wushan Love starring Gu Xixi and Cheng Hui has been renamed Calamus and is scheduled to be released on June 16. Gu Xixi starring Cheng Hui, director Hesue. June 16, Calamus will meet you in the theater. After the film won the Special Jury Recommendation Award at the Certain Film Festival, everyone had high hopes for Gu Xixi. Oh, everyone seems to be expecting Gu Xixi to be nominated as a Best Actress. There's no better news than this. In addition to Xiao Jing's Best Actress nomination, the film also received 4 other nominations. Well, right now, it seems that Sui must be extremely happy. Where is Xiao Jing? Does she know? Suhishi was asking. Right now, of course, she need to tell her girlfriend she's been nominated. But what do you think? She has been mysterious lately. Locking herself in the office without seeing anyone, I really don't know what is she doing. Oh, it turns out, Xiao Jing, what is she planning on? She really want to be alone. Well, of course, she's planning something. Then I'll go find her and tell her the good news. Oh, this is really good news. Xiao Jing, she was really looking for this. Even before, she want to compete with Suhishi, but right now, Suhishi won't do this. Of course, she will let it be. Right now, looking at her, she looks really excited. Of course, she want to tell Xiaojing the good news. In another office, Xiaojing was there. Based on what they said, she locked in the office. And the door is really closed. Well, she don't want to be bothered, right? But it was really tricky. Why Xiaojing is closing the door and wanting to be alone in the room. Protagonist in question. Well, right now, looking at her, she was really thinking hard. Well, definitely, she is thinking hard. Looking at her right now, suddenly, she become happy. Yeah, I got it. Well, typically, it was Xiaojing, a little bubbly girl. Always smile, roughly become sad. But mostly, she was really a happy child. Now, she picked up the pencil, and it seems that she want to write something. Well, what is she doing right now? Is she going to do a portrait or drawing? Well, we can wait to see it. But it turns out, no painting can match her. Her portrait alone is full and beautiful enough. Oh, she was really talented, right? She can do a portrait also. Well, Xiao Jing, she has really had a lot of talents. Just don't add any unnecessary extravagance just to sign my name. Now she looked at her satisfied. To thank her for helping me find the diamond ring. Oh, this girl. I was right. She was really so happy. Doing a portrait of Suhishi. Also to express some of my feelings towards her. Ahem. The feeling of reverence, love, respect, and admiration. Oh, she's become poetic. Right now, I want to give this painting to her. I hope she likes it, but it took me a lot of time. Of course, doing portrait or painting takes a lot of time to become perfect, even though your professional level. Of course, masterpiece needs time. But suddenly, there's someone knocking on the door. Xiao Jing, to her surprise, who is coming? She covered the portrait right now. Well, it turns out, Cranes. Right now, Xiao Jing seems to be surprised. Well, of course, she didn't expect anyone to visit her today. But right now, looking at her, she looks really happy. and this girl's announced that she's been nominated. Oh, it seems that she's the one who's being won, but it's only nominated. Judging right now, she seems to be stunned. Of course, this girl, she's too overreacting. She's not winning yet, but her reaction is too much for her, especially right now. Judging right now, she really can't believe it and said, I am nominated. Of course, she's been nominated, but given on her experience, the past 2 years, she's been defeated by Suhishi. Of course, right now, had a lot of hesitation to herself, especially she don't want to expect too much because it's too hurt. Think about it and you won't get any. Right now, Xiaojing said to herself, it's better not to be happy too early or too much excited based on what she feels before. Of course, right now, she want to be staying low, although she must really happy. Of course, right now, she want to be a neutral to herself. So, in the end, she won't even get hurt anymore. Xiaojing is asking her, who else was nominated together? She's looking up and she was waiting for the answer. Now, she was coughing. Probably right now, she know how to answer her. But, of course, she don't want Xiaojing to rattle on. Right now, Xiaojing said, Lindsay is the most popular best actress. Oh, of course, they've been rival. Right now, let's hope she has more chance to be winner this year. Xiaojing, she's been really waiting for this, and she's expecting too much. But of course, a lot of competitions are having through. The remaining two are Xiao Yulan. But Xiaojing, she must really vary it. Right now, the another one is Yuge. However, their hopes are not very high. This is everyone consensus. Of course, this is barely competition. Let's hope this year she can really get what she wants. Xiaojing, she really dreamed of about this, of having the awards of Best Actress. She's been longing this for a long time. In other words, Yinzi is still my biggest opponent, right? Yes, of course it is. Hey guys, there's a part 2, just wait for it for a little. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!